In this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification in Telegram. Enabling this feature adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a password whenever you sign in on a new device. Even if someone gets access to your SMS verification code, they won't be able to log in without your additional password. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your Android or iPhone. If you're using an older version of Telegram, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and select Settings. On newer versions, simply tap Settings from the bottom navigation bar. Inside Settings, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find two-step verification or two-factor authentication, depending on your Telegram version. Tap it, then select Set Additional Password. Now create a strong password. Choose something that's unique and difficult to guess by combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common passwords or personal information. After entering the password, re-enter it to confirm. Next, Telegram will ask you to create a password hint. This hint should help you remember your password without revealing what it actually is. After that, enter a valid recovery email address. This step is highly recommended because it allows you to recover your account. If you ever forget your two-step verification password, Telegram will immediately send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox, copy the verification code, return to Telegram, and enter the code to verify your email address. Once the verification is complete, two-step verification will be successfully enabled. From now on, every time you sign into your Telegram account on a new device, you'll need both the regular SMS or login code and your additional password. This extra layer of protection helps keep your chats, contacts, and personal data much more secure. And that's it. You've successfully turned on two-step verification in Telegram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.